Mayang gabi sa tanan. I was asked to say a little message about Kenny. Sorry, I don't call her really by her real name, but I'm used to call her Kenny. We used to be colleagues in 93.9 Star FM Zamboanga. I hope I got the frequency right. But anyways, ikaw Kenny ha, nag-undertime ka, pero okay lang. Wa man ko nasuko. Let me share a story, a funny story about Kenny when we were still colleagues in Zamboanga. I think she was absent during that time. And then I was at the production room. I received a text coming from Kenny. And I think that message was not meant for me. Kasi po, when I read the message, ang nakasabi, galit ba si Kalbo? I was really laughing hard at the production room during that time. So I think she was supposed to send a message to Lucy or Rose, our admin staff during that time. So when I went out, they were asking me, I think it was Rose or Lucy, "Sir, did you receive a text from Kenny?" I was laughing. Yeah, it says galit ba si Kalbo? Anyways, that was really funny, you know. Those were the memories. Because during our time, Kenny, I could say one of our saligando. And every time she says what's in her mind, she agrees or not agrees to something that I want them to do. But you know, she says it in a lambing type, ilongga lagi. But whatever we discuss as a group, she follows. So she will really be missed. When I went to Zamboanga, it was a bittersweet because I got to see my DJs and my technicians during my stint in Zamboanga. But at the same time, we saw Kenny during her conscious days when she was in the hospital, because we went there. She was having a hard time breathing, and salute pala sa hobby niya. Very calm and very positive. Bisan pag medyo sapot na gamay si Kenny, because having that illness is not easy. I also lost my brother. Same sakit saya. So salute to you, sir. And also condolence pala to the bereaved family. So there, at least we get to see Kenny, because most of us went there and visited at the hospital, and we made her smile a little bit, even though naglisod na siya ginhawa. But anyways, at the same time, I could say that we spend a quality time together as a Star FM family. So again, Kenny, bahalag nag-undertime ka, it's okay. Rest easy, my friend. And hello pala to all the DJs and technicians from Star FM and her current family. I hope I'm not wrong, Love Radio or MBC. So thank you guys. Again, condolence to the family.